Hello, welcome back to our simple home. For the soft vegan walnut cookies, I use 200 milliliter Aquafaba. That's the liquid from 1 can of chickpea. I add 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. Then I whip it up, same like egg white, about 10 minutes. I use a tall container. I find it's the best way to whip up egg white or Aquafaba. I refrigerated the Aquafaba before whipping it up. I find it works better if it's cold. Once I'm done, I check it if it's stiff enough. Mine wasn't stiff, I couldn't turn it over, so I'm not sure if you ever can beat Aquafaba so stiff that you can turn it over, so mine didn't. Then I add 200 gram of almond flour into a bowl, 40 gram of white rice flour, 50 gram of chopped walnuts, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, add a pinch of salt, 100 milliliter of maple syrup, or you can take less if you don't want it that sweet, half a teaspoon baking soda. Then I stir the ingredients just before adding the Aquafaba. Now I add the Aquafaba. I carefully incorporate the Aquafaba into the other ingredients. And this is how my batter looks like. Then I let it sit for about 30 minutes so the chia seeds can soak up the liquid. Meanwhile, I turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is how the batter looks like after 30 minutes soaking up the liquid. I use a small cookie spoon and set little cookies onto my prepared baking sheet. If you don't have a cookie spoon, just use 2 teaspoons. That works too. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. If you want, you could shape the cookies into little balls instead of setting them just on the cookie sheet. I just took the easy road. I have 2 cookie sheets full of cookies. I bake them for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My kids are doing the taste test. They sure loved them. I had to make sure I get one too, otherwise they would be gone so fast. These cookies are soft and they taste really good with the walnut and almond flour. I even couldn't tell that they are actually gluten-free and vegan. Thank you so much for watching.